The snow glows white on the mountain night, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looked like I'm a queen. The wind is howling like a swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep in, heaven knows I tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Throw away and slam the door. I don't care what they are going to say. But storm or range on. The cold never bother me. It's funny to have some distance, make everything seem small. And the fears that once controlled me can't get it to me at all. It's time to what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I am free, let it go. I am one with the wind and storm, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand and here I stay. Let the storm rage on. My powers flourish to the air into the ground. My soul is spiraling, the frozen fractals all around. And one thought crystallizes like an icy blast. I'll never going back. The past is in the past. Let it go. I'll never rise like the break of dawn. Let it go. That perfect girl is gone. Here I stand in the light of day. Let the storm arrange you. The cold never bother me anyway.